Summary of Paradise or Paradise Lost. The poem Paradise or Paradise Lost is written by Ropper. The main theme of the poem is to adopt a sustainable lifestyle to protect the earth and preserve its natural beauty. The poet has used personification, earth has scars, imagery, scars on planet, standing on the edge, and symbolism referring to earth as paradise in the poem. The poet refers to the earth as paradise. She suggests that if we continue as we are, we will leave permanent scars on the planet and lose it. So she urges everyone to live a green lifestyle. The poet says that we should keep our beautiful planet clean and it should not be taken for granted. She emphasizes that now is the time to take action to restore the damage done to the earth. Yet there is hope that timely effort can save the earth. So this was a short yet comprehensive summary of Paradise or Paradise Lost included in Cantab English Class 7th. I hope this summary will be useful for you. So students, write it and learn it, and good luck for your exams also. Like my video and subscribe for more useful content. Stay tuned.